Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some saucy shrimp and Fonio grits. That is the way the Americans pronounce it, but in Mandinka it's pronounced Fendo. So we're making Fendo grits. We have some shrimp here that's been rinsed off, and now I'm adding some seasoning to it. So we want to season these really well. Then I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I'm going to add just a little bit of the garlic so that it can penetrate into the seasoning. So we're going to mix it well and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, we have a non-stick pot here, and now we're going to add some low sodium chicken broth and also some oat milk. Fendo is an ancient gluten-free grain. It's native to West Africa and is known for its mild, nutty flavor. It also has a light, fluffy texture similar to couscous. This is a grain, but it also cooks up like regular corn grits. It's blood sugar friendly and it digests slowly. It helps prevent rapid blood sugar spikes and is rich in amino acid. So come along with me, and if you're new to the channel, I thank you for stopping by. And if you see fit to subscribe, go ahead and click that bell and also the notification bell so that you can receive all the upcoming videos. My channel is about cooking West African healthy dishes. And now I have some choy, and I have some green onions. And we're going to chop these very fine. You guys, this dish is going to be so flavorful. It's going to be like a shrimp scampi. So let's get the ingredients going. I have some cheddar cheese, a half of a lemon, some chopped garlic, and I have some chopped onion, green onions, and the bok choy, olive oil, then the oat milk, and the fonio grain, white wine, and some low sodium chicken broth. Okay, the bricks cooked down and it's a thick texture the way it's supposed to be. So now we're going to add some olive oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. Then we're going to mix the cheese and we're going to add some more seasoning to it. We want to really flavor up these grits. And if they're too thick for you, you can add some more of the chicken broth. Let's get these flavors going. I have 1 teaspoon of butter and also 1 tablespoon of the olive oil. Now we add in the dry white wine and then some lemon juice. Let's add some seasoning to the greens, and then we're going to take the shrimp out. The shrimp are turning pink, and now we're going to add the chopped garlic. You want to saute the garlic for about 1 minute. After the garlic is done, I'm going to add the green onions to the vegetables. Seasonings are black pepper, accent seasoning, herb and garlic seasoning, smoked paprika, and cayenne pepper. Okay, this is the dish. It's done. And look at how it looks. The texture is nice. The vegetables looking good. And it's tasting really delicious, y'all. You gotta try this dish. It's different, it's nutritional, and it's good for you. And if you stayed this far with me, I appreciate you staying. And I will see you in the next video.